What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to export your Revit model to Navisworks file type, okay, to NWC file. So I'm going to have a separate discussion on different Navisworks files type. But for now, I'm gonna teach you first how to export it to NWC file. So that is one of Navisworks file type, NWC. Okay, so that's a Navisworks cache file. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to set up first your 3D view. Okay, the 3D model that you want to export to Navisworks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to select 3D to open up the default 3D view. So by the way, if you do not have a sample model, so you can also use this model that I'm using right now. Okay, so to access this, all you have to do is to go to File and go to Sample Files. So you click that one, and then you will be able to direct it to that folder. So the file that I have opened is Snowdon Tower Sample Architectural. All right, so you just open that one, and then you will be opening this. Okay, so what I want to do is I do not want to include the link, so that's why I'm gonna open the visibility graphic override. So I'll type VV and then go to Revit links. I do not want all the link to be included. Okay, and then there you go. Now I'll type again VB, and make sure every time you export Navisworks model or Revit model to Navisworks, make sure all the elements is there. So you click all and then click one box and then click again, just to make sure all the elements are checked. And I do not want to include any annotation, that's why it's unchecked. I do not want to include any of this, so uncheck. Imported categories, I don't like that, so uncheck. Filters, so just maybe I'll just remove all of this. I don't need to have a filter. Revit links, so make sure uncheck all Revit links. Design options, do I need a design option? Okay, that's fine, so I'll just select here okay. All right, so this is now our 3D model, and I think it would be better to save your view. Okay, so you need to save your view. So let's go to the 3D views, and then I'll just rename this one, or maybe I'll just duplicate that, and then I'm going to call this, right click, rename, just call this 3D Navisworks export. Okay, all right, so that this view is now always set up. Okay, so now let's export it to NWC. So you just need to go to Add-ins tab and then look for external, and then you can see your external tools there, Navisworks 2024. Now, if you do not have your Navisworks exporter, this is how you do it. Because if you forgot to install, or if you don't know that you need to install the Navisworks exporter, so if you go to add-ins, you will not be able to see that. You will only see this transmit, e-transmit, help about, and then form it converter panels. You will not be able to see external because you didn't install the export utility. So for you to be able to do that, I'm going to show you how. So just go to the Google. Okay, and then you type here Navisworks exporter. You click that, and then you click where to find the Navisworks exporter for Revit. So just click that one, and then look for this page, solution, visit this page. Click that one, and then you will be redirected to this link. Okay, so you look for Navisworks NWC export utility, and then these are the files. Okay, so in my case, I just need to use the 2024. Okay, now if you're using 2023, you click 2023, or if you're using 2022, just click 2022, and so on and so forth. Okay, and then after you download it, then you install it. So you do not need to close your Revit during the installation, automatically you will notice external panel will be added on your add-ins tab. Okay, and then you will now be able to export your 3D model to NWC, to Navisworks cache file. Okay, so just select external tools after you install your add-ins, your Navisworks utility exporter, and then just select Navisworks, click that one. Alright, so before you export, so you might want to go to the Navisworks settings and then check up some settings here. So like for example, if you have a link model here, so you may want to convert the link model, this one. So you can check that one so that it will also convert the link model. This one here for the link. The other one is for the CAD formats link. Okay, if you want to link that. Alright. And then most of the time for the coordinates, I use shared coordinates. Alright. And then I'll just select OK. So these are the only settings that I'm changing. Okay, I don't want to touch all other settings. After that, just select OK. And then the save as type is NWC. So that's a Navisworks cache file. By converting or by exporting your Revit to NWC, you will be able to open your file to Navisworks. Alright, so after that, just select here save. Alright, so this is now how it looks like. So it's now exporting. Let's wait. Okay, so the exporting is now finished. Alright, so let us now go to Navisworks. Let me open my Navisworks. So this is my Navisworks. So I'm just gonna close this one. I don't need this. So I'm just going to open an existing Navisworks project or any compatible design. So NWC obviously is a compatible design file. So let's open up that one. And then I'll go to documents. This is where I save it. And then let me just change the all files here to NWC. NWC cache. This one. So just select that one and then open. And voila. There you go. Okay. So this is now my model. Okay. So from here in Navisworks, I will now be able to do some coordination in this view. Okay, so I can do the clash detection, animation, viewpoints review. So basically, that's how you export your Revit model to Navisworks. So hopefully, you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.